October 23rd, and heading up to a high of about 18 or 19 degrees depending on where you go. That means I don't care how busy I am, I gotta get out. And it looks like at least a few other people are thinking the same thing. Might actually have a little bit of a group together here. I see people, and more to come. Well, here we go. What do we got here? There's 3-4 bikes behind me. I think one of them, I think Aaron with the R1 might be breaking away here. I'm not sure if he's coming, but smell that little Focus working hard. Oh, don't slow down for the good parts. The better pavement extends deep into here now. Mike jumped ahead to lead through the industrial park in Sackville. I didn't see that coming. Quick blast across the marsh here. Welcome back to the other province. They really like their spin-a-majigs here too. I'm a horrible ride leader. I never know where to stop for brakes and whatnot. I think this will make a good one though. We'll stop at the Kawasaki dealer up here, just so these guys know where they can buy quality if they ever need it.
To jump in front of you there, I didn't want to go through town.
That's what I figured. Whenever you went straight, I was like, not everybody wants to do that. That's probably why he's in front. I know the idea behind it sounds pretty cool. I'll
I got some through Sackville.
like whenever I get ready to leave for a trip like this, I'll fill it right to the fucking top because I know we're getting going right away.
Yeah.
And I think, oh, I'm gonna get so much range out of this tank, but then the bike is like, well, I'll just fucking burn more then. Two is like the gas station pump long thing.
Can't tell, but they should be able to make it down the roof.
Yeah, that log cabin place there.
Exactly. There's a road off to the left that's super twisty. I want to take Tony and Luke on.
Okay. Yeah, when we get down that way, you take the lead. And
I'll let you lead till we get close to it, then I'll pull past you.
fuck, anybody can lead from here. I hate leading. Man, what a nice day. You definitely need a calendar to prove to someone that it's October 23rd today. I think we'll keep rolling to Tatamagouche. I was thinking about stopping for fuel and Hogwash, but I think we should be fine to there. Probably would have helped if I'd have looked at that sign back there that said how far Tatamagouche is. I'm sure it's not 80 kilometers away though. Still a lot of damage laying around. Almost to the fuel stop in Tatamagouche now. That works out pretty well. Just over 160 kilometers so far. Nice. Well, running out to Tatamagouche to get fuel was a good idea until we got here and there's no power at the fuel station. We got one more shot. There's Irving up here. Have to go see if they've got some electricity. Jeez, what is with the traffic here? This is a popular Sunday afternoon spot. I guess 20 degrees in late October will do that though. Well, let's cross our fingers. I thought that gas station was right up here. Okay, there it is. Okay, they don't have a lit up gas sign, so I can't really tell. The last place, the gas sign was out. Pumps closed due to power outage. Oh my god, we're fucked. We are so fucked.
Where's the next one? Let's check.
Don't even know.
I don't know.
So it looks like we just rode right into a huge power outage. It's covering a pretty damn large area. And they're expecting it to last at least 12 hours. So now we're playing the what's left in your tank game. And the funniest part of it is there's this road that the guys have discovered down here that's actually really nice, but it kind of leads you off track, and then you got to turn around and backtrack to come back to where we want to go. And I still think we're going to do it, even though we're all hurting for fuel here. There's a pile of wood down here. And this part of Nova Scotia still did way better than other parts when it comes to that hurricane. The old windmills on the hill must have been rocking the day the hurricane came through. They certainly weren't kidding. It is a very twisty road. I just don't have the gas for it. Best to just leave them go because I just can't afford to push through it, or I will be pushing. Literally. Wow, what a road though. Just heading back through? Yeah. Oh, I should have waited.
I kind of thought that maybe
because I was letting you guys get away, and I'm like, should I stop?
Because you're still trying to preserve gas.
Yeah.
I'm on my last bar flashing, so
my fuel light has been on for about 35 kilometers or so.
wow.
Well, I know we can go back this way and hit the highway right there. I didn't know if it was. That's right.
Yeah, it's still quite a ways into town, but at least you'd be in town.
He's got his GPS program there.
Oh, really? Perfect.
What's that?
Just over 2K to gas.
Oh.
You guys want to come back and run this again, though?
Might as well. Once we got gas, I don't care.
See the gas right there?
Oh, you can see it from here? That's funny. It's funny you can see a fuel station over there. Well, that's where we need to be then. All right. Lots of fuel. I don't know where we are.
I'm off now. Let's go.
You can just see the same reaction from everybody, like, It's just funny because you see the same reactions. All the lights come on, everyone goes over, and then like, Wow, do you ever feel this seat? It really does work. She's got some brakes too. First attempt at a Multstrada. Pretty cool, I must say. Luke's probably back there on that old 10 thing, and what the hell am I doing? I want my bike back. Wow. She's got some nuts. I'm used to having handguards on the dirt bike, but that thing don't make enough speed to use them. At least not for wind protection. It makes a hell of a difference with this thing though. The wind off the front fairing here is like in the perfect spot on my head too. Doesn't have my head dancing around. I think the craziest part of this is this airflow seat. We barely made it 20 feet up the road and I was like, okay, this seat works. I think it works well enough that if you were going to do any riding into the colder weather, you might want to take it off. I imagine before long Luke's going to be like, let me off of this thing. After spending so much time on this one, that thing's got to feel like a torture rack. Another thing I noticed today is that everywhere we go, people have fires going outside. It's been weeks since that hurricane and everybody is still burning all the fallen trees. What a rebel! Those Quebec guys, they don't mess around. No red light gonna stop them. Many bugs this evening. It's like Tony was heading back to Amherst the other way. At this point we're so close to where we're going, I don't think it matters too much. We're all heading to the same place. Temperature's dropping. Well, I think we're into the tail end of it here. Pretty much the only thing left to do from here is jump on the highway and head home. I'm thinking this might be the last big hurrah for 2022. Might manage to get out here and there, but I'd imagine this is the last ride of any length. So I guess we'll try to get home before the temperature drops too far. You can come back and see if the next video is like sometime next year. Will it be 2023 by then? Who knows?